This video will show you how to make quinine.
Equipment and ingredients: water, measuring cup, kettle, pot and lid, knife, cutting board, strainer, funnel, 2 glass jars, 2 ice cube trays, 4 organic grapefruit, and 3 organic lemons. Warning! For many people, quinine can be dangerous, including those with heart conditions or pregnant, which can lead to miscarriage. If you are taking other medications, grapefruit is filled with molecules which can interfere with how your body processes any form of drugs. Please keep in mind this is not a casual drink. This is meant to be used for medical purpose and should be treated with caution. Don't drink a glass of quinine or abuse consumption of this product.
Hi, I'm Denny Moser and welcome back to Dad's Den. Today we're looking at nutrition and health. Compared with conventional grown produce, organically grown produce has a lower detectable levels of pesticide residue, at least 30% lower pesticide residues than conventional foods, produced without synthetic human-made pesticides, herbicides, and fertilizers. Organic produce may have residue because of pesticides approved for organic farming or because of airborne pesticides from a conventional farms. Organic foods often have more beneficial nutrients such as antioxidants than their conventional grown counterparts, and people with allergies to foods, chemicals, or preservatives may find their symptoms lessen or go away when they eat only organic foods. Because we are going to use and digest the skin of the fruit, we need the cleanest possible fruit out there. That is why I recommend organic grapefruit and lemon.
Numbers meaning: 4-digit number means food was conventionally grown. 5-digit number that begins with a 9 means produce is organic. 5-digit number that begins with an 8 means it is genetically modified. For example, regular small lemons sold in the US are labeled 4033. Large are 4053. Small organic lemons are coded 94033. Large are 94053.
With that being said, washing the fruit is a must. I'm going to use normal water, but boil the water to help remove contamination in the water. I don't want to use contaminated water when washing fruit, especially when I'm going to use the skin of the fruit. If you don't have a safe bottled water or filtered water, you should boil your water. Boiling is the surest method to kill disease-causing organisms, including viruses, bacteria, and parasites.
Instructions: fill kettle with tap water. Turn on stove on max and place kettle on the heated stove. Let the kettle boil. Wait 20 to 30 minutes to let the kettle water cool off. Pour kettle water in a bowl. Rinse the fruit with tap water. Place the fruit in the bowl in the kettle water. Let the fruit sit in the bowl if the water is too hot. Wash and rub the fruit in the bowl water.
Hydrogen peroxide is one of the best choices and especially good for germs or disease pathogens. Use a 50-50 mixture of water and the 3% product right out of the bottle from the grocery store. Spray or soak the produce in the mix. Rinse, dry, and enjoy. Vinegar and hydrogen peroxide are natural disinfectants and sanitizing agents, and they can be used as a natural fruit or veggie wash to remove dirt, bacteria, and even some pesticides from your fresh produce. I'm going to use the cheapest method by just boiling tap water and then washing the fruit.
Special guest appearance by Nova.
While Nova examines the fruit and we wait patiently for her approval, let's investigate why organic grapefruit and lemon is the first important step.
Instructions: use a knife to cut the 2 ends of the organic grapefruit and lemon. Remove the peel from each fruit. Save the fruit to eat. Organic grapefruit and organic lemon.
Grapefruit juice carries a range of health benefits. They are low in calories, but are full of nutrients and an excellent source of vitamins A and C. Lemons are high in vitamin C, fiber, and various beneficial plant compounds. Harvard Medical School states that grapefruit has a glycemic index of 25. This suggests that it does not significantly affect blood sugar and insulin levels. Many studies have suggested that increasing the consumption of plant foods such as grapefruit decreases the risk of obesity, diet, heart disease, and overall mortality. Grapefruit juice can promote a healthy complexion, increased energy, and a lower overall weight. Lemons support heart health, good source of vitamin C, help weight control, prevent kidney stones, protect against anemia, reduce cancer risk, and improve digestive health. Keep in mind, we do not want to teach the public about grapefruit juice. Let's see what else these natural juices can do.
Stroke.
According to the American Heart Association, eating higher amounts of flavonoid may lower the risk of ischemic stroke for women by 19%. Research suggests that compounds such as flavonoids, vitamin C, and pectin, the main fiber in the lemon peel and grapefruit peel, found that an average increase of 10 milligrams of flavonoids per day reduced heart disease risk by 5%.
Help control weight.
Lemons are often promoted as a weight loss food. One common theory is that a soluble pectin fiber in them expands in your stomach, helping you to feel full. This soluble pectin fiber is in the peel. It is not in the juice, and by boiling the peel, we are extracting the nutrients out. As for grapefruit, it can also help with weight control by improving your digestive system and keeping you hydrated. The water and the fiber content in the whole grapefruit peel included helps to prevent constipation and promote regularity for a healthy digestive tract. Grapefruit consists of 91% water filled with electrolytes, which makes it one of the most hydrating fruits available.
Treating urinary disorders and preventing kidney stones.
Grapefruit and lemon juice is rich in potassium and vitamin C, so it is one of the best treatments for issues related to urination, often caused by liver, kidney, or heart problems. Kidney stones are small lumps that form when waste products crystallize and build up in your kidneys. Citric acid may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and increasing urine pH, creating a less favorable environment for a kidney stone formation.
Reduce cancer risk.
Grapefruit and lemon juice is a rich source of antioxidants, such as vitamin C. These can help combat the formation of free radicals known to cause cancer. Lycopene intake has been linked with a decreased risk of prostate cancer in several studies.
Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant with many health benefits, including sun protection, improved heart health, and a lower risk of certain types of cancer. Grapefruit has lycopene.
Some observational studies have found that people who eat grapefruit and lemon have a lower risk of cancer, while other studies have found no effects. If you want to read more about these studies, check out the National Institutes of Health. I will post the link in the description, as there are many studies involving stomach cancer, pancreatic cancer, prostate cancer, breast cancer, lung cancer, and esophageal cancer.
Treat influenza and cure fever.
Flu is a contagious respiratory illness caused by influenza viruses that infect the nose, throat, and sometimes the lungs. It can cause mild to severe illness and at times can lead to death. Grapefruit is a valuable remedy for influenza since it helps minimize acidity in the system. The bitter properties arising from an essence called naringin in grapefruits tone up the system and the digestive process. Naringin is also considered a flavonoid, which is a powerful antioxidant. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which is known to support the body's natural defenses. Lemon juice is reported to decrease the strength of the cold and flu virus in the body and reduce phlegm. The peel of a citrus lemon is a rich source of flavonones and polymethoxylated flavones that rarely occur in other plants. Several studies suggest that polymethoxylated flavones and antioxidants exhibit antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial, anti-cancer, anti-carcinogenic, antithrombogenic, antithyroidogenic, and anti-inflammatory qualities, making the most important lines of defense in the immune system, protecting against influenza, fever, and many other serious conditions.